The Dissertation Viva, or oral defense, is a crucial academic evaluation where students defend their research in front of examiners. It's a rigorous examination where candidates must articulate their findings, defend their methodology, and engage in scholarly discourse. Success requires thorough preparation, confidence, and a deep understanding of one's work. By implementing the below strategies, you can approach your dissertation viva with confidence and maximize your chances of success. Know your work inside out. Be prepared to discuss every aspect of your dissertation, from the research question to the methodology, results, and conclusions. Anticipate questions that may arise and have well-thought-out answers ready. Practice defending your work. Rehearse defending your dissertation with peers, mentors, or even in front of a mirror. This will help you articulate your thoughts clearly and confidently during the viva. Be familiar with related literature. Understand the broader context of your research by being well-versed in relevant literature. This will enable you to defend your choices and demonstrate your understanding of the field. Stay calm and confident. Approach the viva with confidence in your work and abilities. Remember that your examiners are there to assess your research, not to intimidate you. Take deep breaths and maintain composure throughout the discussion. Listen carefully to questions, pay close attention to the questions asked by the examiners, and take your time to formulate thoughtful responses. If you're unsure about a question, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Be honest about limitations. Acknowledge any limitations or weaknesses in your research honestly. This demonstrates maturity and a critical understanding of your work. Engage in academic debate. View the viva as an opportunity to engage in academic debate and defend your ideas against scholarly critique. Be prepared to justify your choices and respond to challenges from the examiners. Take notes during the viva. Jot down key points raised during the viva to refer back to when formulating your responses. This can help you stay organized and ensure that you address all aspects of the discussion. Stay professional. Maintain a professional demeanor throughout the viva, even if faced with challenging questions or criticisms. Remember to thank the examiners for their feedback at the end of the examination. Reflect on the experience. After the viva, take some time to reflect on the experience and any feedback received. This will help you identify areas for improvement and inform future research endeavors. Thanks for watching. For more such guidance, subscribe to our channel.